Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam API.dll was not found or missing. Let's fix it guys. Open up Chrome and search Steam API.dll and press enter. Select the first site. Just scroll down. Select the download option to this latest version. After getting download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file, extract all, and select extract. After getting extract done, copy the DLL file and go to this PC, local disk C, Windows, find system 32, double click on it, paste it here and select continue. And now go back and find SYSWOW64, double click, paste in here and select continue. Just to close stuff here. And now go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Type here SFC space slash SCANNOW and press enter. You just need to wait for this command to get 100% completed. After getting this 100% completed, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.